Software minimalist operation. 5 steps.
Step 1. Add controller. Right-click on TCP, then select Search. After selecting the controller to add, click Add to Software. Step 2. Edit parameters. Double-click the door icon and set the parameters as required. If there is no need to modify the name and the door opening time, you can skip this step. Step 3. Update parameters. Right-click on the controller icon, select Update Parameters. After updating once, if the controller parameters are not modified in the future, there is no need to update. Step 4. Add employees. Employee Management Interface. Right-click New. The user is required and cannot be repeated. Select the card number input box, and then issue the card in the issuing bank. Step 5. Download card data. Right-click on the selected person greater than, download card report greater than all.
So easy.